15 second shot clock. Number 9. Symbol tayo. 12 second shot clock. 12 second shot clock. Number 21 from the downtown. Number 21, 3 points. Number 23. Number 23, Rojas, 15 second shot clock. Pass to number 47. Wala. Rebound number 47. It's a line violation. Bola ng blue. Blue ball. Number 21. Number 21, zigzagging move. Wala. Rebound number 23. Number 47. Pass to number 48. No. Number 21. Gandang pasa. Intercepted. Number 47. The scoring machine. Pero may foul tayo. Foul committed by jersey number 9. Number 9. First personal. 29. Okay, sorry. Number 29. First personal foul. First team foul. First draw. Pasok. Last draw. Lucky bounce. Happy start. Fifteen seconds. Bola na. Red ball tayo. Red ball. Bola ng icon. Second shot clock number 17. Wala. Rebound number 47. Intercept number 21. Number 21 pass to number 30. Number 2. Gandang galaw. Number 23 Rojas to number 40. Number 40 gandang pasa. Number 17. Number 2. Number 21 pass to number 6. From the downtown. Wala. Number 27. Number 27 from Buda. Pero may foul tayo. Foul committed by jersey number 6. Number 6. First personal foul. Second team foul. First draw. Pasok. Last draw. Good lead. Lamang na ng isang icon. Number 21. Nag-antay ng kakampi number 21. It's a traveling violation. Number 47 to number 12 to number 23 Rojas to number 40, 10 second shot clock. Wala pa rin. Rebound number 9 intercepted. Wala pa rin. Number 17 intercepted. Number 21 batang pass to number 9. Number 9 breakaway shot. No. Rebound number 23. Number 47 Bombita Taas na naman 7, good. Gandang pasa, gandang assist. Number 20, 15 seconds shot clock. Number 20, pero may profile holding by jersey number 12. Number 12, first personal foul, first team foul. Number 9, Visa. Number 9, Rasaber. Intercepted. Number 14. Number 14. Running shot, no. Ribbon number 20. Pass break number 9 to number 6. Wala. Sayang naman. Number 47. Side step move. Wala. Ribbon number 38. Number 38, 41. Intercepted. Napakasibag. Mr. Rojas Rasaber. Running shot. Pero may foul tayo. Foul committed by jersey number 29. Time out. Minerva. At the time of 5 minutes and 12 seconds. Number 29, second personal foul, 13 foul. Back to the ball game. Mga bata, ayos muna. First throw, no. Last throw. Wala pa rin putang number 17. Wala. Rebound number 9. Number 9. Pass na number. Gandang galaw. Wala. Put back. Wala pa rin. Rebound number 23. Number 23. Pass na number 17. Number 17. Lays it out. Good for 2. Number 6 is not no. Rebound number 23. Pass to number 47. Number 47, Bombita. Pass to number 17. Intercepted. Number 21, gandang pasa. Good. Number 12, intercepted. Sarap pass number 28, gandang galaw, gandang pasa. Gandang hira, good. Number 47, Bombita. Pero may foul tayo, foul committed by jersey number 28, sabi sa ref. Patuloy na lang po. Number 38, first personal foul, winding for penalty. Shot clock natin, 17 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock, intercepted. Number 25. Number 25. Running shot, wala. Number 12. Pass to number 23. Intercepted again. Number 21. Intercepted. Number 47. Bombuta. Number 47. Number 23. To number 28. Wala. Sayang naman. Number 21. Meron may foul tayo. Foul committed by jersey number 47. Sam is correct. Paturo na lang po. Paturo na lang po. Kakalabit na lang po. Time out! Icon. Okay, back tayo. Back to the ball game. First throw, wala. Last and final throw, number 21. Ponce. Wala pa rin. Rebound number 23. Number 23 pass to number 20. To number 47. Number 23. 15 second shot clock. Number 12. Drop pass number 28. Wala. Rebound number. Intercepted. Number 28, Paparex, pass to number 17, wala. Rebound number 23, wala pa rin. Ano may foul tayo? Foul committed by jersey number 25, sa Mr. Red. Time out! Minerva, wala na po silang time out sa first half. Okay, back to the ball game. Paalala po, wala na pong timeout ang Minerva sa first half. Ang Icon meron pang isa. First throw, wala. Last throw. Wala pa rin. Rebound number 25. Pass to number 5. To number 03. Number 03 to number 21. Crossover. Number 21. Pass to number. Wala. Rebound number 03. Wala pa rin. Rebound number 47. Pass to number 12. To number 47. Lays it up. No. Sayang naman. O, nagbabadya. Number 21, drop pass, number 2. Okay, tigil muna tayo. Ang sulat po, 1 minute and 52 seconds.